species, along with the northern and Mexican spotted owls. They average 19 inches in length with a 40-inch wingspan and weigh in at just under a pound and a half. The owls are primarily nocturnal hunters whose main prey consists of northern flying that typically nest in cavities and broken tops of large trees. They communicate using a wide array of vocalizations, primarily a 4-note calls. Treatments consist of tree thinning, mastication, and low-intensity prescribed fires, all used in conjunction to reduce the threat of high-intensity wildfires.
Because owls show high site fidelity and return to the same breeding locations year after year. Adult survival is simply